Are you looking for the most dependable iPhone service shop in Glendora? Then, consult with trained professionals of iTech Xpress and get factory-grade repair service. iTech Xpress diagnoses and evaluate the MacBook screen to provide an estimate of repair charges. Offer superior service with a guarantee on the authenticity of parts they use in repairing. They stock all the parts in advance to provide fast and comprehensive service for any emergency needs. With the help of a professional technician, you can expect same-day repair service without dropping its grade. Wondering about their other repair services? Apple iPhone repair, LCD screen repair, Windows and Apple computer repair, data recovery, and many more. All of these services are offered at an affordable price in iTech Xpress. For a free estimate, call them at 626-777-4747 or visit itechexpressinc.com.